Good afternoon to each and everyone, especially to our subject professor, Dr. Loreline Joy Tornos. I am Fatima Gumama and I'm going to discuss the seed structure. So, seeds is also known as the ripened ovule or commonly known as the ripened ovule. So, there are three main parts of the seeds. First is the seed coat. This one, seed coat. And second is the endosperm. Ito siya. Zooming. Third is the embryo or the baby plant embryo. Yan. So, the external parts of the seed, aside from seed coat, so there are several external structure of the seeds. The seed coat, lens, hilum, and microphyll. So seed coat provides protection for the seeds, and then the lens, where the initial uptake of water takes place. Ito siya, lens, yan. And then the hilum, or the eyes of the seeds. So it's look like a scar because it's firmly attached to the ovary. And then the microphyll. So it allows the entry of water. So it's like a hole. So for water or for imbibition. And then second part is of course yung endosperm. It's a tissue that contains oil, starch, and protein. So there are some seeds that during maturity completely absorb na yung endosperm nila. So in the case of pea, groundnut, and gram. So but some other seeds during maturity or at maturity stage ng seeds rich in endosperm pa siya. In the case of cereal grains and then yung mga oil crops kasi yun yung economic nila parts. So endosperm where we can found the food reserve of the seeds, and it protects the embryo or the baby plant. And then third parts of the seeds, of course, yung embryo. So first, meron siyang several parts, no? First, nandito yung radicle, the primary roots of the seeds. So ito yung unang lumalabas during germination. And then, ito yun siya. And then the hypocotyl or the primary shoot. Yan. So, it's a stage of nasa between radicle and epicotyl. And then the epicotyl, siya yung tiny stem. Ito siya. Epicotyl, and then the plumule, or siya yung leaves ng plants. Yan. And then of course yung cotyledon. So after germination, yan siya, after germination, ito yung tinatawag na seed leaf. So it provide nourishment to the developing plants. So ito, two cotyledons in the case of dicot. So ito yung structure ng dicot. And then the structure ng monocot, ito siya. It contains only one cotyledon. So the radicle, epicotyl, and cotyledon. So ito yung structure again ng monocot. So in summary, so the main parts of the seed are the seed coat, endosperm, and the embryo. So that will be all. Thank you.